coach. So I would like to present my presentation. Just
Yes.
firstly, I have brief e-seva. What is e-seva? E-seva is a software developed by government of Punjab, and is a house software by established by Punjab State E-Governance Society, which is work under the parent department of government of Punjab. Uh, e-seva was established in August 2018. This software is in development stage and services being continuously added regularly. And currently, in this total 328 services are currently being running through eSeva portal, and which are through all Seva Kendras within Punjab. Under these services, most of services provide G2C services. G2C means government to citizen, which government have provided facilities to citizen, just like as main services, for example, Aadhaar card, birth certificate, marriage certificate, license, old age pension. In marriage certificate, birth certificate, we have to target and covered 100% of total population within Punjab. Then after service delivery scenario, this is a service delivery scenario of e-seva service through Seva Kendras. Firstly, citizen have apply their service through Seva Kendra with their visit Seva Kendra with their relative documents, and the operator of Seva Kendra have applied their application with their relative document and forward to concerned department in which service the citizen have been applied. Then after dealing hand rectify all the documents, verify all the documents, and then if they have some issue in their documents, they have forward or send back to Seva Kendra. Then after, if they have no any issue in their documents, they have forward checking and scrutiny all the documents and forward to final authority for approval. Uh, After final authority, they will check and checking all the documents. After checking all the documents, they have final approved the documents. After approval, citizen will get the SMS on their registered mobile number. If the application uh, if the application is rejected from any some of the reason, also the citizen has got the SMS through their registered mobile number. And then after citizen after getting SMS uh, in their registered mobile number, they will visit the Seva Kendra and receive their documents. Problem facing service delivery, some of the applications have limited time period, malki a limited time period. Maximum time period of applications are 30 days, some of applications have 15 days, and different. But citizen, sometimes some citizen are argue that we have to receive their certificate in short duration of time periods. But some citizens have received their documents uh, within timeline, which some citizens have received their documents beyond timeline, due to some issue in some any particular technical reason. And due to ongoing pandemic, entry of the citizen was restricted in Seva Kendra due to COVID reason. We have instruct and advise many of the citizens, if you don't have visit Seva Kendra, you have only single time to visit the Seva Kendra and apply their service. Then after you have to receive their service, you have to receive their service and any of the your document through courier service. So courier service is also started in Seva Kendra. Solution overcome for overcome solution to overcome the problem faced. There is weekly review meeting under the chairmanship of Varthri District Mission Gurdaspur. They have reviewed the service delivery of Seva Kendra and the problem faced to the citizen, and as well as technical problem faced to the all the department heads and all the dealing clerks. and they have make the weekly strategy to dispose the pending application and discuss discuss with the meeting. If they have some any technical issues, they have discussed with us and discuss. We have also forward their concern to department heads for their any technical solution. Which some of department which have very high dependency would be notified by the same. A letter is shared with the respective department urging them to take immediate action to citizens and they do not suffer during the pandemic. To curb the ill effect of the pandemic on the movement of the citizen, courier service was started. The courier service was also started through Seva Kendras. Seva Kendras. Some of the citizens have take the service. Some of the citizens they don't have take the service. It will depend on the citizen if they have take the service or not. Benefit of the solution due to weekly review of the potency meeting and chairmanship of the DC sir is if the citizen apply the certificate in same day they got the certificate if they apply the certificate on the same day they will get a certificate get on the certificate within 2 days within same days. We are currently
What do you mean by application in the same day?
Sir, application same day means if citizen apply their service on morning to visit the Seva Kendra, they will get the certificate on the same day after approval from the higher authority. Yes.
If the application is made in the morning, the certificate will be issued on the same day.
Yes, sir. It will depend upon the higher authority. Means the official which have approved their application. It will depend upon this.
What is the citizen charter? Have you?
Yes, sir.
What does it say?
Sir, I cannot audible properly. Please repeat your question.
My question is, do you have a citizen charter? You understand what citizen charter is?
Sir, I don't know. Citizen charter means?
Citizen charter means that every service you have a timeline.
Yes, sir.
That within 36 hours, this service would be delivered.
Yes, sir.
So, do you have such kind of thing?
Yes, sir. Sir, many of the services have some particular timeline. Some means birth certificate have timeline of 15 days. License have a timeline of 30 days. Every service has a particular timeline. Within timeline and within timeline, the citizen got the certificate. It will depend on the higher authority which time they will take to approve their application. Some hello.
हाँ बोलिए
Some of the citizens got their certificate on the same day, in which is on the same day means citizen have applied certificate on 23rd April and they will get the certificate on the same day.
Okay, we understand. That's all.
Yes, sir. The courier service is also started in the last line mentioned.
ये बताइए एवरेज टाइम क्या ले रहे हैं आप? कुछ है आपके पास इस तरह से कि या हमें आप ये बता दें कि पहले इतना टाइम लगता था, अब आपने ये जो सिस्टम सेवा शुरू की है इससे इतना टाइम कम लगा है इस सर्विस में?
सर जैसे मतलब कि सिटीजन अप्लाई करता है मतलब कि जैसे सिटीजन को बियॉन्ड टाइम है, जैसे मतलब कि मैं कह रहा हूँ कि एक एप्लीकेशन को अप्लाई करने में जैसे सेम डे अप्लाई किया तो उसको मतलब कि अप्लाई करते थे, अप्लाई करने के बाद सिटीजन को सर्टिफिकेट मिलता था 10 दिन में 15 दिन में ड्यू टू सम रीजन। तो मतलब कि अब सिटीजन को
आप मुझे बताइए कि बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट है, पहले उसको 10 दिन लगते थे, अब उसको 5 दिन लगते हैं, ऐसा ना एक ही दिन लगता है, ऐसा कुछ आप बता सकते हैं किसी की कुछ सर्विसेज के बारे में?
सर कुछ पर्टिकुलर सर्विसेज के बारे में कि
जैसे मान लीजिए बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट है या कुछ आर्म लाइसेंस का वो है, लाइसेंस है, तो उसमें कितना टाइम पहले लगता था और कितना आपकी ई सेवा से फर्क पड़ा है?
सर पहले विद इन 10 डेज भी लगते थे, 15 डेज भी लगते थे, कईयों को बियॉन्ड टाइमलाइन भी चला जाता था। पर अभी थोड़ी ट्रांसपेरेंसी आने से, क्योंकि ई सेवा पहले ये सॉफ्टवेयर ई डिस्ट्रिक्ट चलता था, अब ई सेवा आ गया। इसके इसके आने के बाद और आफ्टर मतलब कि अब डीसी सर की मॉनिटरिंग के बाद अब सिटीजन को विद इन 2 और 3 डेज में ये सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाता है। क्योंकि एक पर्टिकुलर सिनेरियो बना हुआ, मतलब कि जैसे चेन बनी हुई है ऑफिसर की, पहले अप्लाई होगा, फिर ईओएमसी ऑफिस जाएगा, फिर सिविल सर्जन दफ्तर जाता है, फिर एसडीएम ऑफिस जाता है। वो कहीं ना कहीं कोई अफसर उसको होल्ड करके रखता था किसी ना किसी रीजन से। तो देन आफ्टर मतलब कि सिटीजन को कुछ टाइम लगता था इस सर्टिफिकेट मतलब कि मिलने में। तो इसी के लिए मतलब कि डीसी सर ने कंटिन्यूसली इसको मॉनिटर किया। मॉनिटर करने के बाद मतलब कि वो टेक्निकल इशू देखे कि किस किस लेवल पे टेक्निकल इशू आ रहा है, तो वो टेक्निकल इशू रिमूव किए। तो उनके रिमूव करने के बाद अब ट्रांसपेरेंसी थोड़ी ज्यादा हो गई है, तो देन सिटीजन विल गेट द
कितने लोग
सर्टिफिकेट विद
यूज
इन
कर
2
रहे
डेज।
हैं आपकी ई सेवा?
यस सर।
कितने लोग यूज कर रहे हैं?
सर ये मतलब कि विद इन 30 to 40 डिपार्टमेंट से ये यूज करते हैं इसी बार।
नहीं, डिपार्टमेंट तो यूज कर रहे हैं, लोग कितने आए हैं? सारे के सारे ई सेवा से ही जुड़े हैं कि कुछ वैसे भी मैनुअली भी करते हैं, अभी अप्लाई करते
नहीं
होंगे?
सर, मैनुअली नहीं, अभी ऑनलाइन ट्रांसपेरेंसी सब कुछ ऑनलाइन हो गया। मैनुअली सभी कुछ, मैनुअली पहले होता था, अब सब कुछ बंद हो गया, अभी
अब बंद
मैनुअली कुछ नहीं। अब हाँ, क्योंकि अब सभी सर्विसेज जो है वो ऑनलाइन हो गई है।
ठीक है।
See, I am unable to understand one thing. You
यस
know,
सर।
we had a presentation about 3-4 months back from one of your another district in Punjab itself, probably Patiala.
ओके सर।
They already have this system in place.
ओके।
Now, why every district is reinventing these wheels? Why not we are just replicating what has been done in other districts, at least in the same state? Of course, this is there in so many states already. So why we are wasting time in reinventing the wheel? Secondly, what is the pendency as on date in terms of number of applications filed,
yes.
and what is the pendency?
Sir, Gurdaspur district currently he is in second number for their pendency. In 2 months, February or March, they will go to the position of first rank.
कितनी पेंडेंसी है सर आज के टाइम पे? कितने % पेंडिंग है केसेस, एप्लीकेशंस आउट ऑफ?
सर विद इन पेंडेंसी करंटली होगी 0.02.
0.02.
Yes sir.
So pendency wise you are good.
Yes sir.
It's good. But my only worry is we are reinventing the wheels again and again, wasting so much of resources. And why a person has to go to a e-Seva Kendra? Can he not apply directly?
No, they can apply directly from M-Seva. M-Seva map, M-Seva service mobile app is also running through. Also, yes sir.
Difference between the two?
Sir, it will depend upon the citizen. He can apply their service from M-Seva or and visit in the Seva Kendra.
M-Seva, say it is all
M-Seva application.
So what is the difference between say going to a e-Seva Kendra or applying by himself through mobile or through laptop or whatever other devices?
No, there is no any difference. It will depend upon the citizen. He will use M-Seva.
He has the freedom.
Yes sir, he has a freedom.
This is actually electronic service delivery system.
Yes sir, yes sir.
So you can apply either yourself using any of your device, or you can take, if you don't have the device or if you are not comfortable with the electronic system, you take the help of e-Seva Kendra.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay. So you have to tell us what is the special thing in your, what is the uniqueness in your project, which was not there elsewhere? that has not come out.
Sir, unique thing is that every citizen have got their service within
That is
near about their
everywhere.
home.
That is everywhere.
Everywhere. Yes, sir.
That is
They
not
have-
uniqueness. Uniqueness in terms of say, software that you have generated is far better than some other else.
Means, sir, repeat your question.
My question is uniqueness in terms of what? What is your unique, I would say, जिसके आप कह सकते हैं कि भाई this is what I have done which nobody else has done in this project.
Sir, can I elaborate in Hindi?
मैं सिर्फ ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि भाई आप क्या कह सकते हैं इस अपने प्रोजेक्ट में ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो किसी और ने नहीं की और वो आपने की है?
सर इसमें है कि सिटीजन को जो सर्विस मिल रही है वो विद इन देयर होम भी मिल रही है क्योंकि टोटल
वो सबकी मिल रही है सर, सबको मिल रही है, सारे ऑल ओवर कंट्री दिस इज हैपनिंग।
हाँ,
आपके में स्पेशलिटी क्या है आपके प्रोजेक्ट में कि भाई आपने ये चीज नई की जो कि और किसी ने नहीं की थी आज तक? तभी तो कोई अवार्ड के लिए रिकमेंड होगा कि भाई कोई आपने नई चीज की है। नई चीज क्या की है वही हम जानना चाह रहे हैं।
सर इसमें मतलब कि हम जो सर्विस है टोटली सर्विस है जिसको वीकली मॉनिटरिंग, मंथली मॉनिटरिंग और डेली मॉनिटरिंग इसको कर रहे हैं सर्विस को, जिससे मतलब कि सिटीजन को बेटर से बेटर मतलब की सर्विसेज में मिल सके। इसमें
कोई फीडबैक मैकेनिज्म रखा है आपने?
यस सर, फीडबैक मैकेनिज्म भी है इसमें, मतलब कि एक कंप्लेंट सेल नंबर भी है, मतलब कि सिटीजन को रेगुलरली उस पे इससे फीडबैक भी ली जाती है सिटीजन के से कि आपको मतलब की सिटी सर्विस जो मिली है इसमें आप संतुष्ट हैं कि नहीं है, मतलब कि कितने टाइम में मिली है।
तो अभी तक जो फीडबैक आया उसके क्या रिजल्ट्स हैं?
सर मोस्ट ऑफ सिटीजन ने तो मतलब कि पॉजिटिव दिया है, नियर अबाउट टू 80 to 90% सिटीजन ने मतलब कि पॉजिटिव फीडबैक इसी के रिगार्डिंग दी।
ओके। और जो 5-7%, 10% जो लोगों ने नेगेटिव फीडबैक दिया है,
सर नेगेटिव फीडबैक हो सकता है टेक्निकल इशू के कारण या डिपार्टमेंटल लेवल के कारण कुछ एप्लीकेशंस में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो कुछ एप्लीकेशन
तो उस पे रेमेडियल एक्शन क्या लिए गए? क्या रेमेडियल एक्शन लिए गए?
एक्शन उसमें सर लिए गए, वो उनको कंसर्न जो इशू है वो विद इन इमीडिएट मतलब डिपार्टमेंट की जो सॉफ्टवेयर टीम है उसको भेज दिए जाते हैं, वो विद इन 1 or 2 days में उसको सॉल्व आउट कर देती है, वो सिटीजन के जो भी हो इशू हो जो भी।
ओके ओके, थैंक यू।
वेलकम।